granite veins. So a granite vein, that's about 2.5 centimetres width, and it's coming up the cliff there. For, let's see, maybe 30. Maybe 30, 40 feet.
Back there. We need a lower tide to get us look at.
Right. Oh look, a cave in there, Brian.
Somewhere around here was very deep cave.
Uh-huh.
And we were built.
So cave at November Delta 138240. That's definitely sedimentary rock here. Over here it looks metamorphosed. Getting narrow, is it?
Yeah.
Don't get stuck. Watch your tail. Yeah, it looks like sedimentary rock there, Brian, and over there it looks more like granitic on this side, so it looks like a big fault there.
There's a little archway around here.
Uh-huh.
But that cave there, that goes in way in.
Uh-huh.
There's still a bit of swell here, so
Yeah.
I think there's an archway here we can get through.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, really, Brian?
Can you go for it? Look at that, see? You can swim under that. Look, this is a great big channel.
Yeah. Watch your... I'll go through there.
Put your head to one side.
See, there's a nice little alcove up there for birds. You can see the guano.
Oh yeah.
Or, yeah, it almost looks like limestone, Brian.
Yeah.
Do you want to go up and have a look?
No.
Are you hungry?
I'm fucking starving.
Stop dawdling, man. Here we have another fault. Granite vein up there. That appears to be between rhyolite and granite. The looks of the rocks. Shine your torch ahead, Brian, please.
That side here.
Yes, sir.
Starting off, not a lot.
No. Shine. Right. Yeah, can you shine your torch ahead, Brian? Just to the end.
Like that.
Look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see it.
It goes round as well.
Uh-huh.
That's as far as you can get.
You just need a bendy boat, Brian.
Yeah, a curved banana.
So you can see the slip of the fault there. Watch that boulder to your right, Brian. There, behind you. Oh look, there's some granite, big, but must be about 10 centimetres. Granite vein there, Brian.
Yeah.
So it looks like metamorphosed sandstone. And see that red vein there?
Yeah.
That could be, that looks a bit like rhyolite. But rhyolite's usually, well, that comes out at the surface, you know, but like at Fogla, Scurry up in Shetland, similar colour. It's probably basalt, but see there's the veins coming through here as well, intruding into the rock, the local rock. So, oh yeah. Oh, I know, that's good, Brian. Yeah. So the rock that the veins are in are younger, or sorry, are older than the granite that's pushed up through the country rock, if you call it. I'm wondering if we can get up the river a bit, depending on the level. Yeah. There's the hide you can see from the road, Brian.